Hey, this is your coach, the Locksmith, and you already know why I am not showing my face. Well, do you even know why I am not showing my face? Actually, I have dated hundreds and hundreds of women in my lifetime, and I'm still in my early 30s. They were coming in anytime. I have traveled, I have dated women in almost any region of the world. Don't get it wrong though, number was far from being my only concern. I actually dated women that I really wanted to date. But when I said any type, they were coming in any ethnicity, from any social background, and were doing any type of occupation. I have actually dated some of the most popular women in their own field, and for some of them, some of the most popular women in the world. Now, I don't know where you live on this planet, but depending on what you're interested in, you might see some of the women that I have dated maybe every single day on TV. Who knows? No story is supposed to be disclosed, so it's better that it stays that way. So, no face. Well, you might wonder how all of that might be possible. Now, first of all, you need to understand that it has nothing to do with your looks. Actually, it almost has nothing to do with anything that you thought was the most important. It has nothing to do with your money, nothing to do with your job. It almost has nothing to do with the language that you speak. See, here's the thing. Everybody is the same. Some might listen to rock music, some others hip hop or reggaeton, whatever. But everybody is the same on a very basic level, but they are the same. People act and react from the way they think and the way they feel. And the way they feel and think mostly depend on hormones running through their bodies. So all you have to do is to trigger some hormones to influence the way they're going to act. That's it. That's all you have to know in the beginning. Then you would just have to adjust a type of seduction game based on what you want. Now that might sound a little bit simple, but this is fundamental to understand. Talking about game, today I'm actually giving you a very simple tool that you can use from now on that can literally help you attracting women to you. That tool is to reflect joy. You need to reflect happiness. Look, everybody wants to be happy. And the best way to be happy is probably to be doing something that makes you feel happy and to be in an environment that makes you feel happy. Be that environment. See, everybody has energy going through us and that we give back out to the world. And people around you can feel that energy. Make sure that you want to give out a positive type of energy so people around you can feel comfortable around you. And they might feel attracted by you just because of that. Nobody want to be around a sadness type of energy, a fearful type of energy, a stressful type of energy. Now I know a lot of guys might go off like, how does he expect me to feel joyful when I have all those bills to pay, when I have this job that is stressing me out, my boss is getting on my last nerves, etc. My friend betrayed me. Look, let me tell you something. If today somebody came up to you and told you to try to hold a conversation for like 5 minutes while reflecting joy, and then you receive $1 billion, I believe that somehow you will find a way to do it. No matter what your problems are. Because you will be driven by this idea of getting this huge amount of money. Be driven by the idea of seducing this very beautiful woman that you never thought you could seduce before. And when you do, and when you go back home with the cell phone number of this gorgeous lady that you never thought you could have the cell phone number of, I guarantee you that a lot of your problems might just disappear in a blink of an eye. Boom, just like that. And for all the other problems that you may have, this extra boost of energy that you will feel will help you facing twice as many problems that you still have. I guarantee you that. I promise you that. See, living in a romantic phase with a woman that you really feel attracted to can beat having any amount of money. And I'm pretty sure that you already know that. So try to reflect joy when you're around women. That doesn't mean that you have to roll on the floor laughing every time a woman walks by. But as soon as the conversation starts, you want to make sure that this woman feels joy and happiness coming out of your mindset. Now, this is a very simple tool that you can use right now. You'll see the difference. It's very easy to understand. If you want to go more into details about it, you can try to download my ebook, The Ultimate Key of Seduction, that you can download from the link that I'll be posting in the description of this video. This ebook, I explore all of the areas of seduction so you can have a complete understanding about it. If you want to make sure that you don't want to miss your new edition of Special Tips Monday, what's Special Tips Monday? Special Tips Monday is a new series of videos that will be posted every Monday, as it says, in which I will give a very specific tip about seduction regarding a very specific situation or environment every single Monday. Okay? So if you want to make sure you don't miss it, just subscribe to the channel. Actually, subscribe to the channel will also give you 20% off on the price of your ebook. And it will also make sure that you don't miss any of your other appointments on this channel, in which I will break down tons of aspects about seduction regarding tips, principles, mindset, anything that can help you to be able to seduce any woman that you want, regardless of her age, occupation, money, social background, and ethnicity. If you enjoyed this video, just click the like button or whatever, or subscribe. as I told you, this is because the locksmith. No woman is supposed to resist around him.